Magandang gabi po. Buenas noches, bonsoir. Good evening. Nandito po kami sa simbahan. At simbang gabi po. Alas 6 anong oras na ba? 4:30 ang start ng simbang gabi at maraming tao. Pero may mga Pilipino nakikita ko. May extra parking doon, may overflow. Ine-expect na nilang maraming dadating. 4:30 po ng gabi ang start ng simbang gabi, hindi po umaga. Magkita-kita po tayo doon sa loob ng simbahan.
And anger in our heart. We need to remove that. And where can we remove it? In the sacrament of reconciliation, penance, and confession. And lastly, when you go inside, you have to bow. A lot of times that I was...
Hindi pa po nag-uumpisa ang misa. Nagbibigay lang po ng instruction yung pare.
I got hit in that big cement and then my head just like trembling, and it's a good reminder for me that look, focus.
Soto. It is my privilege to present the coordinators and delegates of Simbang Gabi to take place in the parishes of the Diocese of Sacramento.
My dear parish coordinators and delegates, each of you have been invited by your pastor to coordinate Simbang Gabi in your parish. Are you ready to assist your pastors? Oh, okay. Let me ask that again. Are you ready? Are you ready to assist your pastors with the preparation for the coming of Christ by celebrating Simbang Gabi in your parish communities? Yeah. Okay, good. Are you prepared to take your baul, the symbol of the light of Christ, and share it with your parish communities? Yeah. Are you further prepared to use this occasion, this time, to deepen your personal preparation for the coming of Christ? Yeah. Now at this time I ask everyone to please stand as we joyfully gather in this Simbang Gabi celebration, in this Simbang Gabi celebration.
I hope I'm not missing anything. If I am, please forgive me. I have a pre-announcement really big for my family here at my city. First of all, December 8th, the feast of the Immaculate Conception, we have two masses. One is at 9 in the morning, and the other one is at 6:30 p.m. Thank you very much. Second announcement, on December 12th, we are celebrating our Lady of Guadalupe, Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe. We have two masses, 6 o'clock in the morning and 9 a.m. Finally, on Saturday, December 13th, we have a healing mass at noon. Everybody's welcome. You want to join us? Please be my guest. Thank you so much. And once again, thank you, my friends. So I'm going to invite Bobito, Father Bobito, to come and join me up here. We got your squad announcement.
Tapos na po yung mass. Meron pong naka-flash doon sa screen na please join us in the reception hall. Mukhang may kainan. Ayun, lahat doon nagpupunta yun. Ang dami yung mga karamihan ng mga Pilipino. At first time kong nakitang punong-puno ang simbahan, sweetheart. Ngayon ko lang nakita na punong-puno ang simbahan namin dito. At karamihan mga Pilipino po. Meron pong kainan after nung mass. Ito po yung loob ng multi-purpose hall ng simbahan. Dito po nagkakatikisim ang Junakis. Ngayon po ang pagkain. Aba, at may banda pa palang naka-ready. Ayun, no, may mga ano doon, no. Nawawala ang asawa ko. Hindi ko makita. Meron pa pong kape, tsaa, may mga alak din. Tubig, may juice din. Yan. Ayun po ang asawa ko, nakita ko na po. Nag-aaya na po siyang umuwi. Ayaw po niya makikain. Nahihiya po siya. Hindi po siya sanay sa ganitong ano. Sa ganitong mga kainan-kainan.
You want po?
O,
I
so
was like-
dapat sinerve mo, wala, naubos ang pagkain niya.
Nagtagalog ka ba nung kinakausap mo yung mga Pilipino?
Yep. I said, hello po, how many lumpia you want po? Sorry, only 2, dalawang max po.
Dalawa lang.
Yes, they said we could only give 2 to them.
O may instruction sa inyo?
Yes.
Okay.
I was
Did you
with-
enjoy, anak?
Yep. I was serving next to Emma and Maddie.
Oh, nandun si Mati?
Maddie?
Maddie?
Yes.
Good.
Yes po.
At least hindi ka na bore.
Yep.
Pauwi na po kami. Nag-serve po siya dun sa mga taong kumakain kaya nakaseparate siya sa amin. At part po yun nung church service niya para sa upcoming niyang
Ilan pang kailangan mong hours,
Oh,
anak?
there was also a live band there. There was a live band.
Nga, nakita ko
sila,
nga
anak.
may setup na drums sa mga gitar kaya alam kong magkakalampagan sila.
You didn't want to join?
Ito, pauwi na po kami. Ito po, may mga Christmas light na po yung
Look at that.
mga neighbors namin, mga neighborhoods.
Look at that.
Talagang pagkatapos ng nagkakabitan na sila ng mga Christmas light.
Ooh, when we were done serving the food, we went back to Y3 and we watched a movie and ate pizza.
Oh, okay. You didn't watch the band?
Maraming salamat po pagsama ninyo sa amin ngayong simpleng araw po to. Sabado pa rin po, December 6. At malapit na po kami sa bahay. Mag-ingat po tayong mabuti at ingatan po natin ang bawat isa. At huwag po tayong makakalimot magpasalamat sa ating mga biyayang natatanggap. Uy, kulang yung ilaw ko pala doon, no? Dalawa na ang kulang, oh. Kitang-kita sa yung bungi. At mabuhay po tayong lahat.